Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on placement reminders in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the more button. And then in the alarm section, click on the placement reminders button. And to turn this on, just simply click on the on button, and you can also read a little information about this in the about section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.